And in one place where the housing has been hot and doesn't seem like it ever cooled was New York City. Michelle.
Thanks, Phil. Yeah, the rate of appreciation declined here somewhat, but always a very hot property sector. And now the housing market recovery appears to be gaining momentum countrywide. Now, while Wall Street may have been partially responsible for triggering the worst housing crisis in U.S. history, it's now actually helping to boost home prices in some of the country's most distressed areas. Karina Huber has the details.
If you're looking for a single-family fixer-upper in markets like Miami, Phoenix, or Las Vegas, prepare for a bidding war against some of the biggest firms on Wall Street. JPMoragan Chase, private equity giant Blackstone Group, and other large financial firms are snapping up large numbers of distressed real estate owned by banks called REOs in markets hardest hit by the housing crisis. As a result, home prices in those areas are booming. A new report shows cities with the largest increase in institutional investor purchases all saw dramatic price gains in the fourth quarter of 2012. Phoenix topped the list with prices rising 37%. Experts say the search for higher yields in a low interest rate environment has attracted institutional investors to distressed properties.
If you're doing transactions, you're either looking for merger arb types of transactions or you're going to go invest in some sort of physical asset. And right now in the U.S., that's real estate.
Real estate is also hot because prices are still very attractive and properties can easily be rented out. Demand for rental properties rose 4% nationally last year and is expected to rise another 4% in 2013. While the influx of smart money may make it harder for buyers, economists like Steve Blitz say it's good for local economies.
They're taking excess property that's just sitting there out of the market. If you're in a community where there are distressed homes, you know, there's nothing worse than having a lot of vacant properties around you.
Experts say that if home prices rise too dramatically, institutional investors looking for bargains could pull out of the market, and that in turn could cause prices to fall once again. So even though the numbers indicate we're on more solid ground when it comes to the U.S. housing market, there may still be some bumps on the road to recovery. Karina Huber, CCTV, New York.